Okay everyone, this is Christine with the Two Pink Ladies. This is part 2 of the Gypsy tutorial, and we've covered the settings button. We're going to go on to the button in the middle, which is your photo button. Tap on it, and let me get a close up so we can see what we're doing. And this is a really neat button. You can actually transfer pictures from your computer onto your Gypsy and save them. And let's just kind of go through a run through of what all this screen says here. This is all the list. These pictures are actually samples that came with the Gypsy. I haven't added any pictures to my Gypsy yet, but this is, if you had pictures, this is what you would save your pictures under a certain name, and this is what the name would be right here. So they have their pictures saved under these different names. But there's different ways that you can view the pictures. You could view them by the list, which is what it is on right now. This little button right here on the top right says list with a little file folder. That's where it's set right now. But if you go and tap it on this middle button with all the little squares on it, it'll actually show you all the pictures lined up. It doesn't have the list of the names of each picture. Okay, and you can actually scroll up and down to each picture. Okay. And the next one right here on the top right, I hope I said right a while ago. I don't know if I did or not. But anyway, you tap on it, and it'll actually bring the picture to a full screen. Okay, and if you tap on that big picture, it'll bring you back where you were. So we're going to go to the list because I want to show you a couple extra buttons. Right here, this big button in the middle on the top, it says by name and has a little arrow next to it. This is letting you know that it's the pictures that you saved by the name is listed right here in order from C to let's see what the next G. So it's alphabetized. It's from A to Z basically. But if you tap this arrow right here and it points it down, it'll actually reverse the order that the list is in. And so we're going to tap it back up, and we're going to tap on here, and it's going to have a little drop down screen, and I'm hoping you can see this. It has by name, which we just did, and it has by date taken, so you're going to tap on that. And if you have your own pictures in here, it'll actually show you, it'll put it in the order of the date that the pictures were taken. And also the arrow can either go from A to Z or Z to A. And you're going to tap back on this button again, and it's going to, the last button on here is by date, and it has TX. TX means transferred. It's by the date that it was transferred to your Gypsy. So if you tap on that, it will actually put the pictures in order of the date that you actually transferred them to your Gypsy, which is kind of neat. Now, another really neat thing is, I'm going to put it back on name, is if you hold your stylus and kind of push down on the screen, hold it on this particular picture, it'll actually bring up a screen, another little screen that says the date that it was taken of the picture and the date that it was transferred. I'm not sure if you can get a good look at that or not, but if you just do that and kind of hold it down, hold your stylus down on there, it'll tell you all that information. So, oh, and you can actually take it off and you can still see it. So, and there's just a couple of other little things. You can remove a picture if you want. That's pretty, explanatory. You can add it to your favorites. You can go to your favorites. I'm going to tap on that, and of course they haven't added any to their favorites, or actually I have not added any to my favorites because I don't want all those on my favorites. But you can tap on this button again down here. It says all photos. You tap on it, and it'll bring the screen we had on there a while ago. And that's pretty much it on this. Although, let me tap right here on this Gypsy file, and it'll bring the picture of the Gypsy. And right here on the left side of your Gypsy, there's two silver buttons, one on top, one on bottom. And if you tap on the one on the top, it'll actually bring you one step back. It'll bring it back to, like, from Gypsy to the one above it. And if I keep tapping, it'll keep going. It'll keep going one step back. Okay? And that's kind of what that one does. And the same thing, when you tap your bottom button, it actually brings it down. Instead of scrolling like this with your stylus, you can use your button. Okay? So that's that screen. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to show you real quick this button right here. You're going to tap it with your finger, the silver button, and it's going to bring this little screen up right here. And this screen tells you all about your battery life, how much battery you have left on your Gypsy. Oops. And it also tells you when you're on the photo screen, if you tap this help button, it'll tell you everything about that particular screen, that photo screen, all the different buttons and what they do. Alright, so I'm going to hit exit. And I'm going to push that button again on the silver button, and we're going to go back to that screen we were just looking at. There's a little door, and that says Exit Program, and you just tap on that, and it'll bring you to your main screen. So there's the second button of the Gypsy, and we'll see you next time.